Hey everybody, welcome back to the first episode of Chocolate Cooking. So, third generation is our next one. Right now, I just tried to learn how to cook Nathan's onion ring. So how to cook them? So first we introduce this. It's our helpful power generator uncle. So we are learning how to bake onion rings, Layton's. We open the bag, we put it in the oven for which temperature? For 400?
400.
We toast it for 400 and for how many minutes?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes? So all you have to do is just to turn this to 400 and what?
10 minutes.
What is this one represent for? What does this one represent for?
That's the time.
So which time do you...
Careful.
So how do you sell the time?
Maybe 1 minute, no bite.
No bite.
1 minute.
Sure, yeah. So you put the thing to 10. What is this 10 represent for?
10 minutes.
Then how come it's a little bit away from 10 minutes? It's a little bit away from 10 minutes. Oh, hold on.
Okay, now finish. You can finish. I make you a drink. This I put in microwave later.
So we just put it for like, make it for like 10 minutes. And then we,
Try.
and then we just like put it into 10 minutes. We check it out. I think we could serve after 10 minutes. Yeah, let's go ask. So what we're gonna do after the 10-minute bake? We check it out and then serve it.
Nice now.
But is it? So what we're gonna do after 10 minutes, serve?
Now I gotta get ice.
Okay. Nah, that's definitely not part of the instruction. So you check it out carefully and then you serve with ketchups. If right now you're looking at my table, we get it from. This is something from Long Island or Chinese restaurants. I don't know if the Flushing restaurants sell all those stuff. And check it out, we got a new light. Woo-hoo! This is Super Secret Police Dropship. And for desserts, marshmallows. So that's the first cooking lesson. Hope you enjoy it. Wait! Before I leave. However, before I go away, I want to tell you that right now I've downloaded two new games, Clash of Clans and Iron Force. Be sure to check that out. My gameplay video. Peace.